Unleash the power of AI to revolutionize your Google Slides in under 2 minutes. First, let's harness Gemini for content creation. Open a new or existing Google Slides presentation. You'll notice a new option, often presented as a prompt like, "Help me generate, click on this." A text box will appear, prompting you to describe what you want your presentation to be about. Be specific. For example, if you're creating a presentation on the benefits of sustainable gardening, you might type, "Generate a presentation on the environmental and health benefits of home vegetable gardening." Gemini will then suggest slide titles and even initial bullet points for your presentation. You can then click to insert these suggestions directly into your slides. But Gemini's magic doesn't stop at initial generation for existing content. Highlight a section of text, you'll see an option like, "Help me improve," or an AI symbol. Clicking this allows Gemini to rephrase, expand, or even summarize your text, making your message clearer and more concise. Need to visually enhance your presentation? Select a slide or a placeholder. Look for an option to add visual ideas or a similar AI-driven suggestion. Gemini can recommend relevant stock images, illustrations, or even suggest design layouts that complement your content. It can even offer suggestions for color palettes and font pairings to give your slides a professional and cohesive look. Simply explore the AI suggestions and choose what best fits your aesthetic. For truly dynamic presentations, Gemini can help with interactive elements if you have a question or prompt on a slide. Look for options to create quizzes, polls, or even generate discussion starters. This transforms passive viewing into active engagement. By integrating Gemini, you're not just making presentations. You're crafting engaging experiences that capture attention and drive understanding. Experiment with these features and elevate your next slideshow from good to unforgettable.